Hi, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. For today's video, it's going to be a chit chat type of video. Today, it's going to be a Portland leather goods full unboxing haul. My window is open in case you hear some birds chirping in the background. I am so excited for the spring weather. Spring is actually one of my favorite times of the year, spring and summer, and one of my favorite spring activities recently in the past few years is going to a tulip farm and just taking pictures in the rows and rows of tulips and being able to pick the tulip flowers. And I hope you're doing well. I hope the weather is very nice and warm for you where you live. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite spring activity is. And so yeah, let's get started with today's video. So I ordered several different things from their BOGO buy one get one free sale. So I'll be sharing some of the shoes that I got, some accessories. I got a new bag. You're interested and you're curious about these items and you want to see the items up close, or you want to see the leather color. I just find unboxings really fun, and first impression videos, I actually think that they are really helpful. And before we get too far into the video, in case I forget to mention, everything in this video is not sponsored. I just really love Portland leather goods, but I will link an affiliate link down below. It's a referral link, so you can get 30% off your purchase if you see anything in today's video that you enjoy. If you're a pet lover, wait till the very end or scroll ahead. I am so excited that I got this little surprise that I got that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's start with this box up here. The other thing too, these are like box openers. Let me come up close and show you. So it's just this plastic thing, and then there are little blades here that's protected in the corners. And this little gadget is so handy in terms of opening up the boxes. So look, you just go like that and it's done, and then you can just go down this down here like that. If you open a lot of boxes, I actually got this to break down boxes for me to recycle them. I think you can get a 3-pack on Temu for $2. Really like it. All right, let's get back to the unboxing. So if you ask me, honestly, I didn't need this bag, but when I saw it, I had it sitting in my cart and it sold out. And then when it came back in stock the second time around, I was hemming and hawing and I just could not resist the urge. So I finally ordered it. This one is actually in the almost perfect. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a shop card as usual. And on the back, there is the Portland Leather Goods Insider Community. If you are into Portland Leather Goods, join their Facebook group because there are so many other purse pals and other people who are really excited about this. Like I said, this is not sponsored, but I just truly love Portland Leather Goods. Put the box up here, and I got a little, which I'll open that next. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. This is the oversized tote. First of all, I love the oversized tote. I've been using it every day as my work bag. But when I saw this one, this is in the Caribbean color. It's this really pretty, it's a smooth leather. It's a tealish, darkish teal color. And I love the contrast with the tan handles, or in the community they call it tandles, which I think is really cute. So this is the oversized tote in Caribbean. I was really torn on if I wanted the Caribbean one, if I wanted the surf, or there's also, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, it's the Bacalar, which is like this really pebbly green leather. This is in the almost perfect line, but just quickly looking at it, I don't really see anything wrong with this bag. There's a little bit of wrinkling like along right here, but it's so minor. And then looking at the bottom, maybe this corner right here has a little bit of wear on this corner compared to the others. So I don't know if that's the reason why this bag is almost perfect, but otherwise it's like perfect. It looks to me like a regular premium bag, I feel, but this color is so pretty. And the inside of all their bags is the raw suede, and I just really like how much lighter it is here on the inside. So this is what the inside looks like. It's also this really pretty light teal color. And then there's this little keychain snap that I absolutely love right here that comes in all of their totes. See the pocket right there? So this is the first unboxing. Love this. This is so cute. So the next item is a little. It comes wrapped in tissue paper, And this is the Bacalar, I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is that other green leather they have in the totes. I just could not help myself when I saw these. Oh, this is so cute. So this is a little mini tote bag keychain. So here's what the back looks like. And it comes on a keychain, so it's so cute. And then it's just a little pouch like that. And then you can close it up with this little attachment thing right there. I heard like AirPods are good. I wanted to get it so my bag can have a little bag like that. This is what it looks like with my ring lights on. So here's Caribbean and then here's Bacalar. Caribbean is smooth leather and Bacalar is a pebbled leather like that. Do one more close up for you. So the next item that I got, and I have been using this, is the large Bozeman. This is in the leather color Aqua, which is this summery blue color with a lot of pickup in the leather and variations in the color. And I really wanted it for the summer because I really felt like the name Aqua and it looks like water. Here's what the sides look like. This is again the large size. So when you open it up, there is a button snap opening. And this is what it looks like. I've been using this wallet every day since I received it from the BOGO sale. So I've probably been using it at least the past month, I would say. It's actually a larger wallet than what I'm used to using. I used to use the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet before, but I like this one for a couple of reasons. I think the organization is really nice. So back here, there's this big long pocket and it's wide enough to put bills in. As you can see, the entire bill will fit in there. Or if you have a checkbook, and then there is a zippered compartment here, and that's where I keep my coins in here. And then there are tons of credit cards. There's 1, 2, 3. There are 6 credit card slots, 3 on this side and 3 here. And because the leather is pretty soft, like some of these, I have more than 1 card in each slot. So it can hold more than 6 cards. And on the front side, there are another 6 slots here. So when you open it up, there's 6 on this side, and then there are 6 card slots on this side. And then this middle part, like in between where the card slots are, it's actually quite wide. So right now I just have some extra post stamps in there. This is just like a Michael's receipt. The receipt actually can fit there in the middle. And what's also cool about this wallet is, like say if you're going out to dinner or lunch and you just wanted to grab your wallet and your phone and just more of like a clutch style. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the phone actually will fit here in this front part and it still buttons up. See, it's a little bit wider with the phone in there, but it still buttons up no problem. Or if you don't want to put your phone in there, there's definitely enough space if you wanted to put like a pen in there, put other things there, and then you can easily button it up. So it's bigger than what I'm used to, but so far I have been really enjoying using this wallet. So that's the Bozeman wallet. All right, so the next item is a leather snap journal. It's also in the aqua color. I think it's a great gift. This is a medium size, and I actually ordered the same exact one in aqua in the large size for my brother because it was his birthday. And there's a snap button right there. It comes with lined paper. I don't know how many pages, but it's a good amount. The paper that comes with it, it just slides in here, but you can easily change it out if you need to refill it or if you wanted an agenda in there. This one is the medium size. I already had the large size that I received in a mystery box. And then so I just wanted to quickly show you what the medium compared to the large looks like. And of course, you know, you can get their actual measurements on their website. I would say they're pretty close in the width this way. The large is a little less than an inch wider. The main difference between the large and the medium is the height. You can see here, this is a good, I would probably say a good 2 inches, just eyeballing it. But that's the difference between the large and the medium. And then here's the difference up close between the large and the medium in terms of the width. So that's what the medium versus the large journal. And both of them come with the paper on the inside like that if you are interested. But I just thought that this was a really good handy thing to keep in my purse or, you know, for work. Or I also think it's really good as a nice little gift for anyone who's into calligraphy or journaling, traveling, anything like that. And this is the aqua leather up close. So again, it's this really beautiful, I think their leathers look exactly like their names. It's amazing. I love it. All right, so we're on a roll with Aqua. So the next item that I got is my Aqua Rainstorm. So I love, love, love this style that I shared in my previous videos. If you are interested about this bag, I made a full, really detailed review that I'll link above if you're interested, but this is just what it looks like. And I got this as a summer bag if I were going to the pool or anywhere. I just thought it was really cute. So the next item that I got are these, and this is the Boardwalk Penny Loafer in Glacier Blue. So this is a smooth, light blue leather, and it's in the penny loafers. Here's what the penny loafers look like up close. Here's the top, and here I'll give you the 360 all around. And the bottom, I've worn this one time. I actually got this so I can match with my Aqua bag in the summertime. So when I'm out walking around there, I felt like they were close enough in color. And then in terms of sizing, if you're curious, my normal shoe size is size 8. And I ordered these in size 8.5. So I increased it by half of a size based on many reviews that I read on their website. And I would say that's what I would recommend as well. I wore these to a soccer game, and it's very padded. I did not have to use like a shoe stretcher or anything like that. My only complaint with the one time that I have worn these are that this leather is a little bit more stiff. And right here where my like Achilles heel is, I ended up getting a blister after wearing these. It's not that the leather was too small. I think it's just because I didn't break in the shoes. I just was so excited. I actually wore both of these to the soccer game because it was the same color as the team that I was watching. And so, yeah, I just didn't break them in. I will give these another try. And see, hopefully I won't have blisters again. Next one is going to be pretty quick, and I got the Healed Mary Jane in the beautiful bone color, which is this creamy white. It's not like a white color. It's a more muted creamy, I would say. And so I also recently just made a video reviewing these shoes that I will post above if you are interested and want to know everything about these shoes. But overall, this style is super comfortable. I already have these in black, I have them toffee, now I have them in bone, which is the color of this leather. So I could wear them in the spring and in the summertime and with my lighter outfits, even though it's a block heel, and these are so comfortable. I ordered my regular size, which is size 8. These are size 8, and I just really like these. Another shoe that I got, and I actually have really been loving these. I have been waiting to wear these, and yesterday I wore them for the first time, are these. These are the Zoe Chunky Loafers, and this leather is in this Foxglove pink color, which is this suede brushed leather. And here's the Zoe Loafers. They're just slip-on loafers, and what I really like about them is that they are platform loafers. So I think they're quite stylish. They're pretty much leather and rubber, and so it's really comfortable. I wore them for the first time yesterday, and they were so comfortable. I didn't break them in. I just wore them out when I went shopping, and then I went to eat at a restaurant. And so, yeah, I didn't have any blisters. I didn't have any issues with these at all. And so I got these in size 8. So with these, I was really torn on whether I needed to size up or not based on all of the reviews on their website. But my regular size is size 8. And in these, I ordered a size 8. It's my usual size. When I wore them yesterday, I actually did not wear them with socks. And I just was able to slip my foot in there, and they were like perfect and good to go. I didn't have to stretch them or anything. My mom also ordered these. She got them in taupe and in black and in foxglove. She also really, really loves these Zoe Chunky Loafers, and she sized half a size up because she likes to wear socks. And so I would say, depending on your foot, if you have a wider foot or if you are going to wear like thicker socks, I would probably recommend sizing up a little bit. But like I said, I did not, and I felt like they were just fine. So these, totally comfortable. They're platform, so they're really comfortable. I really enjoyed wearing these. So I got these to match my Rainstorm in Foxglove. So both of these leathers are in Foxglove pink. The leather colors look a little bit different, but both of them are Foxglove. So I wore both of this combination together yesterday. So these last two are here, and because it's buy one get one free. I have not worn these boots yet, but I tried them on. And so the ankle bootie is what the style is called. So and this is in the color Caribou. I really wanted to get cognac, but cognac sold out so quick during the sale. I wanted cognac so I could match my cognac tote. But this one I also thought was a really pretty color. And so it's an ankle boot. It's more of a suede type of leather. And I just love, love, love the heeled version. And I love having the black rugged on the bottom, kind of like the heeled Mary Jane. Here's what the bottom looks like. And there's a zipper on the inside to make it easier to get in and out of. Like I said, I haven't worn these in public yet, but when I received them in the mail, I tried them on and these were so comfortable. I cannot wait until, I guess now I'm going to have to wait until the fall, but I cannot wait until I can wear these. So these I fully recommend. This I got size 8.5. So I sized up from my regular 8 because in the wintertime I like to wear thicker socks. So in boots, usually I will size up a little bit. All right, this next pair of boots, I thought these in the picture looked so fashionable, like they would be perfect for fall. So this one is the next one that I got. And this is called the Vero Chelsea boot. And this is in the smooth black leather. They have like two different styles. One has a zipper and the other one doesn't. So this is the one that does not have the zipper. And so you just kind of, it's stretchy right here. You can see up close, like this part is all stretchy and then this part is all leather. And then the stretchiness goes on both sides about where the ankles are. And so you can kind of pull it out, slip your foot in there. I just felt like the square toe was probably a little bit too square for my personal preference, but we'll see how I feel in the fall time now that I'm going to have to wait until the fall. So, but my mom actually ordered this as well. She ordered the brown color and she loves hers. So like I said, it's just a personal style. Again, I ordered this half a size up from my usual size because when I wear boots, I like to wear thicker socks. So here's what the Vero Chelsea boot looks like in the smooth black. All right, so last little tidbit to unbox. This is just something I just wanted to unbox and share with you guys on my channel. I saw this from the Portland Leather Goods group and it's just a little accessory that I had custom made. And so I just received it in the mail. And so I thought it was so cute. So if you are a pet lover, check this keychain out. So this looks exactly like my beloved cat. And this is handmade by Lily's Blossom. And so I'll link her information down below if you are interested. I just sent her a picture of my cat and then I was able to pick the leather color here. And I chose to have this like circle one. I think there's another one where it's like a snap leather thing, but check out how cute is this keychain. So I haven't decided which bag I wanted to put it on, but I figured like just to have a cute little bag charm like this, I thought was so cute. And so I just really wanted to share that little accessory. If you enjoyed today's video, I would love to have you give it a thumbs up. So I know and the YouTube algorithm knows, and otherwise, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you, and comment down below if you have any questions or anything else. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.